Many companies struggle to achieve their waste reduction and diversion strategies because it can be challenging to manage these programs, particularly those with multiple, complex waste streams, making your current progress towards your goals unclear, and leaving you without a way to measure the impacts of steps you're taking on your ESG or sustainability initiatives. The solution is found in a data-driven recycling and waste program. The solution is Keter. You need to know where and how to act to meet your ESG and sustainability goals while also driving value. Now you can. Keter uses state-of-the-art equipment, IoT devices, and advanced tracking and reporting software to give you powerful metrics. We keep an eye on and manage every waste stream and can quickly locate inefficiencies. Keter offers more than a new recycling and waste program. With a national footprint, we bring our dedicated and reliable expertise and resources to partner with you. Continuous improvement is embedded into our management operations, which ensures you are on the path to achieving your zero-waste-to-landfill initiative. Measure and report on the success of your sustainability plans so you can attain your ESG goals and realize new operational efficiencies that can reduce the total operating costs of your recycling and waste program. Achieve more and waste less with Keter.